It's a video of our flywheel grinder. There's your controls down here. There's a power switch that's lighted. That turns the power on to the whole unit. And you have your control panel. You've got coolant with an indicator. There's no coolant in it now. And your table start, stop, grinder start, stop. Table start. There's the table. Table stop. Grinder start. It's got a CBN wheel on it. There are several grinding wheels and just miscellaneous adapters and screws and nuts and bolts and just about anything you want for it. The coolant here is adjustable with a valve back here to turn it off and on. And there's also a hand sprayer here that you can spray by hand. You lock the head with this lever, adjust the height with this lever. And of course the head is rotatable. And of course you should be on the outside surface. And that's it. 223 phase ready to go.